Hey all, hope you are doing good. So in today's video tutorial, I am going to show you how to print factorial of a number in C++. So let's start. So what is factorial? Factorial is the multiplication of natural numbers up to that number. So that is, if factorial 5, then it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Similarly for other digits too. Suppose factorial 6, so 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. That's the factorial. So let's make a program. So first we need some variables. Let's take a number whose factorial is to be found, and then a looping variable I, and then the variable in which factorial will be stored, that is fact, and we initialize it as 1. You will get to know further. So let's take the number. Cout, enter the number. So C in num. We took the number. So now we need to multiply all the natural numbers up to the number num. So we need a for loop for that, and I is equals to 1 and I is less than equals to num, because we need to multiply num also in the product. So I plus plus, and then we open the curly braces, and now we simply multiply. Fact is equals to fact into I, that is multiplication from 1 to number in fact. Now we need to print the factorial. So cout factorial of the number num is fact. That's it. So let's provide AND here, so there will not be any confusion. Factorial of the number is fact, and we return 0. So let's compile and run it. So it asks for the number. Let's make it easier so that we know our output is correct. So let's give it 4 and enter. So the factorial of 4 is 24. That is 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24. So 24 is correct and our output is correct. Let's make some changes. That is, we need a space here so that our output looks good, and like that. So that's all. Now Control plus S to save the changes too. So let's try run it. So what we did is, we took the number from the user, entered the number, and we stored it in num. And then we made a for loop. Why? Because we need to multiply natural numbers up to num in fact. So we took from I equals to 1 less than equals to num. That is, the multiplication will go on as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to num. So we took the multiplication and or product in fact, and we stored it. Now you know why we took fact as 1, because if fact would have been 0, our product would have become 0. So we need to take it as 1. So whatever we multiply in it, it gets to the original value. So now we print the factorial, that is factorial of the number num is fact, and we return 0 as usual. So I've shown you the output and it is correct. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel for more, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.